नहीं है कि हमने कहा नहीं नहीं हवे पे तो जो भगवान मुझे जिंदा रख रहे हैं,
आपको शेम होने ही वाला है बिकॉज वहाँ कोई ना कोई बाहर है who unhappy with themselves who wants to make you unhappy, so it's fine because we are usually all in one look in the film, you know, like 75% of the film we're in one look because it's an adventure and the whole days ka story where we're going to find the treasure and all of that. So she looks like this also, she can look like this also because मुझे consider ही नहीं किया जाता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है because of the height and because of so many projects they just say that you know the hero is not tall enough so I cannot take Anjali. तो वो मेरे लिए एक वहीं पे I have to.
They're appreciating you for your beauty. They're appreciating for you how you carry yourself, irrespective whether it is weight or no weight. It's just that people look at you very differently.
Because I'm forcing them to look at me differently because they've not seen a girl this okay with herself in her skin when people are giving her so much shit, you know. I love them and I'm like भगवान एक franchise का part बना दो, I will kill it because मेरे अंदर nobody knows that I can do this also, that I can ham to no extent. हमारा एक pilot friend है, हम उसको आज भी बोलते हैं कि लाल बटन दिख रहा है मत दबाना,
चालू नहीं इंजन चालू है.
We always still use those dialogues, you know. So
और ऑफ कोर्स रितेश जी का तो चल ही रहा है, लॉकअप चल रहा है. क्या आप दोनों देख रहे हैं शोज अलायंस और लॉकअप?
I'm actually watching it. I thought I won't get the time, but that day after promotions I went home and I was like I was so sleepy. I had to wake up at 6 in the morning that day, and I was like एक एपिसोड देख लेती हूँ.
ये मैं होप कर रही हूँ कि पूरी धमाल की कास्ट लॉकअप में जाए और मजे करे. प्रमोशन का टाइम में हम एक्सपेक्ट तो बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं.
सुनीता जी, I love her.
Yeah, I think when I love Sunita
I love her.
पूरी सीरीज थी, it was so well received और कहीं ना कहीं हम सब एक क्लिफ हैंगर पे छूटे हुए हैं कि उसका सीजन 2 आने वाला है. तो क्या ये सही वक्त है आपको पूछने के लिए कि सीजन 2 आने वाला है? हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूँ हेशा चीमा और आज फिल्मी बीट पे आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू टॉक टू दिस फुल ऑन धमाकेदार धमाल वाली लड़की अंजलि आनंद इन द हाउस.
हाय, हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
आई एम वेरी गुड. एक साल बाद मिल रही हूँ क्योंकि एक साल पहले तो जब हम डब्बा काटल के लिए मिले थे और बात कर रहे थे तब हम धमाल के बारे में ऐसे कर रहे थे, नहीं बात करेंगे, लेकिन फाइनली वी मैनिफेस्टेड वील बी हियर एंड वील डू धमाल. सो हैप्पी टू सी यू अंजलि.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी. आई एम हैविंग अ ग्रेट टाइम ऑलरेडी.
Yay! You know, I just want to put it out there on camera also for everyone to know कि मैं enter होते ही मैंने अंजलि को देखा ना, I was like, wow, like इतनी सुंदर लग रही है साड़ी में.
Yeah, I mean I'm just celebrating the गुलाबी साड़ी phase और मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है to dress up every day and I love sarees and I love pink. So two of my greatest love stories are coming together and making a great look for me.
Yeah, I think fashion is happening. Also, you have a brand, which is great.
Yes.
And I think my mama is plus size. And I think after when she conceived me, so she still managed to drop her weight. But after my sister, she couldn't. And तब से मुझे पता है कि हमारे घर में कपड़ों को लेकर discussions बहुत seriously हो जाते हैं क्योंकि there are two types of people in my house. एक मैं जिसको पूरी लाइफ सिर्फ स्किनी शेम ही किया गया है कि खाती नहीं है कि हमने कहा नहीं नहीं हवे पे तो जो भगवान मुझे जिंदा रख रहे हैं.
आपको शेम होने ही वाला है बिकॉज वहाँ कोई ना कोई बाहर है who unhappy with themselves who wants to make you unhappy, so it's fine.
It's fine, I agree. And then the other side was when it came to my mom where she was like यार तेरे को तो सब आसानी से मिल जाते हैं, मुझे सबसे लाना पड़ता है, मेरे को रेडीमेड का ऑप्शन क्यों नहीं है?
I know that feeling of going shopping and not getting anything on your size is disgusting. I hate it.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to change that for people.
But you know, great thought. I feel that was the need of the hour also. और अभी fashion is fashioning हर जगह से, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
मेरे अंदर बहुत fashion है, just didn't have space to come out now. I'm just using the platform that I'm getting and the eyes that are all on me. तो I'm like अब देखो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ.
You know, मैंने आपको डब्बा कार्टेल के टाइम पे जब इंटरव्यू किया था तब हमारी बात हुई थी कि how you were completely makeupless. You know, बहुत ही I think zero to no makeup ही था पूरे उसमें. Was completely like that and now in this you know थोड़ा glam sham हो रहा है.
But in the film also इतना कुछ makeup look तो है नहीं because we are usually all in one look in the film, you know, like 75% of the film we're in one look because it's an adventure and the whole days का story where we are going to find the treasure and all of that. तो उस पिक्चर में मुझे ज़्यादा रेडी होने का टाइम नहीं मिला. So I think I'm using that during the promotions and just celebrating myself a little bit and trying to you know create looks that I love.
पर उससे पता है क्या हो सकता है ना? I feel जो next casting directors होंगे वो यही बोलेंगे let's cast अंजलि.
Maybe because I don't think lot of people imagine me in different kinds of roles ना. तो ऐसा हो जाता है कि लोगों को जब तक तुम नहीं दिखाओगे what you are made of Acting wise, तो I think I'm showing that with every project. But you know, to just be remembered कि अच्छा she looks like this also, she can look like this also, because मुझे consider ही नहीं किया जाता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, because of the height and because of so many projects they just say that you know the hero is not tall enough, so I cannot take Anjali.
Yeah.
तो वो मेरे लिए एक वहीं पे I have to pass many barriers, you know, the weight barrier, the height barrier. I think that I have to face many more barriers before I get a part, because वो दिमाग में लोगों के रह जाता है that okay weight है, height है, okay, but okay acting कर लेती है, but इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं, you know, I have to still pass a lot more barriers than others, I feel. I think एक बार वो barriers निकल जाए and people just feel confident enough to cast me and see that she can look very different in any, you know, anything she's put into. I think that is something that's going to help me get more parts.
For sure. You know, अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि हम पूछते हैं एक्टर्स को कि I mean I've specifically asked a few of them कि कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि that the industry has liked them for their vanity but yet not opened up to the actor in them.
मेरा उल्टा हो जाता है.
आपका full उल्टा है and I think I want to pinpoint and say this. I think recently I think आपने शायद देबीना के साथ एक podcast किया था.
That's old, yeah.
तो वो अब वायरल हो रहा है इंटरनेट पे because of something that you said. But बकायदा मैंने उसके सारे comments पढ़े हैं. एक भी नहीं छोड़ा है. And I have to tell you this कि not just because we're sitting here, but if anybody goes down and sees those comments also, उसमें एक भी negative comment नहीं है. There's not one. They're appreciating you for your beauty. They're appreciating for you how you carry yourself, irrespective whether it is weight or no weight. It's just that people look at you very differently.
Because I'm forcing them to look at me differently because they've not seen a girl this okay with herself in her skin when people are giving her so much shit, you know. So, you know, people just ask me, how are you so confident? Just like that.
But if you are so beautiful and such a great actor, और क्या चाहिए?
But people can't see beyond the weight. So, और मैं तो अपने weight को देखती ही नहीं हूँ, मुझे दिखाई नहीं देता. You know, I just want to dress myself the way I know I'm looking nice and presentable, and you know how I want to look and I'm comfortable.
Right.
And लोगों को मगर हमारे दिमाग, you know, it is such a big thing that I realized that I used to get so triggered when someone said moti. Anybody gets triggered. But हमारा conditioning हो गया है मोटी is bad.
Correct.
पतली हो गई, मोटी हो गई है as a bad compliment, पतली हो गई है as a good compliment. Your dark is bad, being fair is good. You know, it has become like that.
Yeah.
तो वो हटा देना अगर दिमाग से, तो आजकल मुझे obviously with so much attention comes a lot of hate also and a lot of love also. But a lot of it is a lot of hate and people are just so unhappy with themselves. You're like ये अपने साथ खुश है, मैं इसको भी unhappy करूँगा. You know, it's like that. Please be as miserable as me. Why aren't you as miserable as me? So ऐसे हो जाता है. So मोटी, they'll just write मोटी and go. And अभी मुझे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा. हाँ हूँ तो, you know. Who? Like people saying guy, people saying भैंस, people are saying अरे भगवान पूजा करते हैं उनकी लोग, right? तो it's not a अब सबकी if their face is like a gada's ass, I don't have a problem. Like,
yeah, we're not pinpointing on that.
I'm not pinpointing you on that. So I'm like, then why are you pinpointing on me? So it has nothing to do with me. Whatever people are telling me has nothing to do with me.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm just going to be myself. I'm going to do my thing, and I'm going to just achieve whatever I'm here to achieve. Because उनके बोलने से थोड़ी change हो जाती है reality जो है.
हाँ, अंजलि यहाँ पे से धमाल करने आई है. Let's just put it like that. But such a massive mammoth project है ये. मतलब मुझे तो याद है जब मैंने first धमाल भी देखी थी, भाई साहब उसका 25 बार तो मैं देख ही चुकी हूँ. क्योंकि कुछ iconic scenes और dialogues तो ऐसे हैं, मतलब वाह भाई वाह. And जब अब धमाल 4 का ट्रेलर देख रही थी मैं, मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा था. Like कुछ सीन्स जो हमें याद है, जैसे जावेद जाफरी का it's giving, you know.
It's giving धमाल.
It's giving full धमाल. And पता है, I mean I can say this as a journalist, as an anchor, कि मेरे को apprehensions थे कि वो match up हो पाएगा या नहीं हो पाएगा. But वो ट्रेलर देखने के बाद I was like, I'm so waiting to go in the theater and watch it. Now I'm going to ask you, as a lead actor in the film, like what was that like for you?
It is so मतलब overwhelming. I've always wanted to be a part of, you know, I used to always say यार कोई तो franchise, I love all of these franchises. I'm like भूल भुलैया हो गया, भागम भाग हो गया, हेरा फेरी हो गया, धमाल हो गया, you know, so many other गोलमाल हो गया. I'm like, I love all of these films. I love them and I'm like, भगवान एक franchise का part बना दो. I will kill it because मेरे अंदर nobody knows that I can do this also, that I can ham to no extent. You know, तो लोगों को वो पता ही नहीं है. तो आई वाज लाइक एक कोई जगह का मुझे, एक कोई फ्रेंचाइज का मुझे पार्ट दिला दो. एंड आई थिंक दिस हैपेंड एंड आई एम रियलाइजिंग नाउ दैट इट्स एक्चुअली हैपेंड. एंड बिकॉज द फर्स्ट धमाल केम इन, आई वाज इन स्कूल.
आई नो
Ritesh hates it when I say that. So I was in school and me and my friends still say the dialogues. हमारा एक पायलट फ्रेंड है, हम उसको आज भी बोलते हैं कि लाल बटन दिख रहा है मत दबाना.
चालू नहीं, इंजन चालू है.
We always still use those dialogues, you know.
Yeah.
So it's overwhelming for me that I'm a part of it.
Yeah, it's crazy. I know because when I was in school only, but then I think hats off to Ritesh for him looking like
They
this.
look the same. Men don't age, so it's.
क्या खाते हैं ना ये सब. मेरे को जावेद सर को भी मैंने अभी
Yeah.
recently मैंने उनका इंटरव्यू
Yeah,
किया and I
yeah.
saw him and
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
like sir
Yeah,
चल क्या रहा है.
yeah, yeah,
And then
it's
you know
crazy.
also the looks are very same. मतलब उसमें कुछ changes नहीं आए.
Exactly,
फिर भी-
especially Javed sir. उनका exact same look है, wearing dungarees at this age and behaving like a child, and only he can do that.
Only
I
they
think.
can pull it
Yeah,
off.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
crazy.
Only he can do that.
But you know, comedy जितना भी हम बोले कि like अगर हम आप और मैं यहाँ बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं उसमें भी कुछ funny निकालना is like it's not it
It's
just
not
happens.
easy, yeah.
It has to land.
Yeah.
Here you have a script. Here you have like इतने सारे लोग जो कॉमेडी में बकायदा बहुत अच्छे हैं. And of course अंजलि, I'm not doubting your acting skills at all. मुझे पता है आपने तोड़ा है फिल्म में, मुझे feelings आ चुकी है ये. But उस टाइम पे क्या माहौल होता है सेट पे जब अंजलि जाती है?
So much fun on set. Like, on a set like this, I've always wanted to see कि कैसे बनती है ये pictures और कैसे you know that comedy comes out. Indu ji, it's always the director where it begins, you know, because it's his heart and soul. The film is his vision. And even when I did Rocky Rani, it was like it's Karan sir, you know, the feel आती है ना film की, it's Karan sir. When you see an SLB film, you see his feel in the film, his art
Yeah.
in the film. Same way, these films you see Indu ji and you can just see him, you know. He is so funny. We just put out a reel of behind the scenes Indu ji का मस्ती. You have to see it. उनके अंदर से जो निकलता है, he'll tell you something and suddenly idea. अच्छा अब ये भी कर. अच्छा अब ये भी, and he'll act it out and show you. So we always wait कि अभी इंदु जी क्या करेंगे. Plus everybody on set, Ritesh is ridiculously funny.
Yeah.
Ridiculously funny. I love him. मैंने जाते ही उनको उनका एक डायलॉग बोला था Hey baby का, and he's like how do you remember all this? I said I love it. I love it. Hey baby, houseful. मैंने इतने सारे डायलॉग्स बोले पूरा दिन because I'm an encyclopedia of films. So he was like ये लड़की को कैसे याद है, इनको खुद के अपने डायलॉग्स याद नहीं है. मैं अरशद और रितेश सबको रिमाइंड करती रहती हूँ कि देखो ये डायलॉग रिमेंबर, और ही लाइक नो आई डोंट रिमेंबर. इवन अजय सामने यू रिमेंबर दिस डायलॉग फ्रॉम प्यार तो होने था, ही लाइक नो. आई लाइक आई रिमेंबर, वी रिमेंबर, यू नो. सो एनीथिंग दे से वी रिमेंबर.
Yeah.
And it is just they're just so funny and everything just comes out so perfectly on set. So
It's just the perfect landing.
It's just the perfect tuning of everybody. They've all done, like Ritesh and Indu ji have done 8 films together.
जी.
You can see that chemistry, you can see that comfort, you can see that love, and he's just an amazing guy. I love him.
You know,
I love
आपके फिल्म में दो ऐसे एक्टर्स हैं जो अभी एज वी स्पीक ऑल्सो काफी धमाल मचा रहे हैं. एक तो है रवि किशन जी
Oh my
जो
God.
अलायंस से जस्ट बाहर निकले हैं और उन्होंने क्या धमाल मचाया. और ऑफ कोर्स रितेश जी का तो चल ही रहा
Yes,
है, लॉकअप
yes,
चल रहा है.
yes.
क्या आप दोनों देख रहे हैं शोज
I'm
अलायंस और
actually watching
लॉकअप?
it. I'm actually watching it. I thought I won't get the time, but that day after promotions, I went home and I was like, I was so sleepy. I had to wake up at 6 in the morning that day, and I was like, एक एपिसोड देख लेती हूँ, दोनों का एक देख लेती हूँ, देखती हूँ कौन सा अच्छा है, कौन सा नहीं अच्छा है. Like, मैंने दोनों के सारे देख लिए, 4 एपिसोड्स वर आउट, मैंने सारे देख लिए. And I'm calling my sister, I'm like, watch it right now. She's like, हाँ मैं भी चला रही हूँ. So we were both watching it simultaneously and we were both discussing it. It was a lot of fun.
कौन सा मजा आ रहा है ज्यादा, अलायंस
मुझे तो दोनों में मजा आ रहा है because it has its own thing, you know. Alliance is back to back, they're doing ungli, and lockup you don't have to do ungli. ungli वाले सब अंदर ही है.
सब अंदर ही कर रहे हैं और मस्त मजे चल रहे हैं उनके.
I तो love it. I'm like, Ritesh, are you having fun? He's like, yes. I'm having a lot of fun. It's not his cup of tea at all because doing a Big Boss Marathi is completely different. Doing a lockup, he's not used to these people, so I'm sure he must be having a lot of fun.
He is. In fact, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत जल्दी, और ये मैं होप कर रही हूँ कि पूरी धमाल की कास्ट लॉकअप में जाए और मजे करे. प्रमोशन का टाइम में हम एक्सपेक्ट तो बहुत कुछ कर
I'm
सकते
only
हैं.
going for Sunita ji. I love her.
Yeah, I think when I love Sunita
I love her. I absolutely love her. She's enjoying her life and I'm loving that for her.
Yeah.
I'm loving it.
Absolutely. You know, अंजलि मुझे एक चीज बताइए, जैसे डब्बा कार्टेल में जो आपका रोल था, ठीक है, और इनफैक्ट ओवरऑल भी जो पूरी सीरीज थी, इट वाज सो वेल रिसीव्ड, और कहीं ना कहीं हम सब एक क्लिफ हैंगर पे छूटे हुए हैं कि उसका सीजन 2 आने वाला है. तो क्या ये सही वक्त है आपको पूछने के लिए कि सीजन 2 आने वाला है?
There's nothing that I know about it जो मैं आपको बोल सकती हूँ, so I'm the wrong person to ask. I think Shibani is the right person to ask, but I'm not the right person to ask. But I just hope it happens. It's been a while now since it came out and people still ask me. मेरा भी change हो चुका है. My question जब पहले पूछते थे शादी कब कर रही है, अब सब पूछते हैं डब्बा काटिल 2 कब आ रहा है, राज जवान है 2 कब आ रहा है. So now that question has changed. I'm glad, but I have no answer to any of them. So because I'm not authorized to give answers and I don't even know what's happening. But I'm just doing how much ever I can do. Or let's do more films. Let's do more web series and we'll have fun.
Absolutely. You know, जब आप अभी खुद का अपना करियर अब देखते हैं going forward, right? Of course, theaters are back in action in full fledged, and touch wood, we are doing good films as well. As we speak, we know that कि कल परसों एक release है, which is a hardcore film that is led by Alia and Sharvari, and you worked with Alia as well in Rocky and Rani, right? Today, when you look at her also do such roles, you know, how do you feel about just women projection in general जो हमारी सिनेमा में हो रहा है अब?
I think it's great. I think it is amazing how, you know, the tides have changed. It's become so much better. We are getting so many more opportunities. Like even Dabba Cartel was a completely women-led show.
Absolutely.
Even in usually we used to have 2 male friends and 1 female friend. Now we have 2 female friends and 1 male friend. Even in Raj Jawana as well.
Yeah.
So I think because in life, in society, women का role बढ़ गया है, तो it's a reflection of the society, right? Whatever we're making, all the content in the films and everything that we make. So I think that is reflecting on the films, and you know, so I think that people are now ready to see women-led films. Queen changed the whole game, I think. And there was Bandit Queen very long ago. There was Kahani. I think a lot of films even now have changed the game for women, and I think it's just a reflection of the society कि how much ever agency we are getting in society, we are getting that much agency also on screen. It takes more longer on screen for sure.
Yeah.
Because audiences को accept करने में बहुत time लगता है, because obviously we are a very big nation of a lot of people. And all kinds of people, you know, हम हर 5 किलोमीटर के रेडियस में हमारे बहुत चीज़ें चेंज हो जाती है, हमारी लैंग्वेजेस चेंज हो जाती है, हमारी कितनी चीज़ें चेंज हो जाती है, पहनावे चेंज हो जाते हैं, थॉट प्रोसेस चेंज हो जाती है. तो आई थिंक you can't serve everybody, but then to get everybody in the stride, it takes a while, and movies like these help.
Yeah, you know, क्योंकि जब आलिया ने जिगरा किया था, maybe she didn't get so much love and adulation, but now when Alia is doing an alpha, the conversation बहुत different हो चुकी है. In fact, आपने बात किया कि parts land करना कितना difficult होता है, including a Sharvari today, even for her that's been a journey, right? Anjali, do you see yourself also do a full-fledged action film?
I would love to. I would really love to. That's what I'm saying, that, you know, to change the perception of society, I think people need to just come forward, and maybe if someone really likes my acting and loves me as a person and wants to put me out there. See, people like me, we are not getting launched, right? And आजकल के ज़माने में launch होने भी नहीं वाला है. You know, you will not get, obviously Hrithik Roshan launches something else, but you will not even get a Ranveer Singh launch. You will not get all of those things right now. It's very difficult to get that. A Sayyara also comes in once in a while, you know.
Yeah.
And obviously that age also has passed to launch, but because we've been struggling to get something good and keep ourselves going for so long, I'm not even expecting a launch, but I'm expecting good work that just shows my skill, because this is what I'm here to do. I'm passionate about it. I'm not fame hungry. I'm not, you know, I don't want all of the things that come with the acting. That is a part and parcel of my job that's going to make me famous if the more jobs I get. But I really love the job. And that is all I know how to do. You know, ऐसा नहीं मैंने इंजीनियरिंग की है, मैंने नहीं पढ़ा है, मुझे नहीं इंटरेस्ट है. मैंने कॉलेज छोड़ दिया था फर्स्ट ईयर में ही, और मैंने बोल दिया मैं काम कर रही हूँ. बिकॉज आई थिंक लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस इतना है कि मुझे बुक्स का एक्सपीरियंस की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी है. फॉर्चुनेटली और अनफॉर्चुनेटली, आई डोंट नो, बट दिस इज़ ऑल आई नो हाउ टू डू, एंड दिस इज़ ऑल आई एम हियर टू डू. आई डोंट हैव अ प्लान बी, आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग. मुझे बस बहुत अच्छा काम करना है, और जब काम नहीं है माउंटेन्स में जाके बैठना है आराम से.
Next time अंजलि मुझे भी ले जाना, मैं भी कॉल करूँगी.
मैं भी आई हूँ mountains से, because I knew this was going to happen for like a good 10-20 days. I'm going to be busy. I just had my 10-day break. I came back, and जैसे मूवी रिलीज होगी मंडे को मैं शायद फिर निकल जाऊँ.
Oh wow. तो क्या आप, I mean safe to say कि आप एक detached actor हो?
मैं डिटैच पर्सन हूँ. मुझे पता नहीं कि मैं एक्टर कैसी हूँ, क्या हूँ, बट मुझे बॉम्बे कभी कभी बहुत ज़्यादा, बिकॉज हम जो बॉम्बे में पले बड़े हैं ना, जो हमारा घर बॉम्बे है, राइट इन द मिडल ऑफ अंधेरी, वी डोंट हैव अ ब्रेक. आई डोंट हैव अ नानी हाउस, आई डोंट हैव अ दादा हाउस, आई डोंट हैव अ, you know, I don't have a place to go to cut off and to just, you know, you wake up in Bombay and you're like, you see 10,000 other people have done 10,000 more things than you, and you feel like a loser, and you're like, you just give up, you know. And I don't like that. I don't like being on my phone. I feel my most self in the mountains, and I just love it, you know. I like the beach, I love to swim, but I think the mountains just give me another level of makes me feel small, makes me feel insignificant for a while, and I love that.
Yeah, that's true. There are bigger things to look
The
up to.
bigger things to look up
Yeah.
to, and all our problems are very small
Yeah.
suddenly.
I think मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि the humility that you have, and I want to tell everybody, I have a flight to catch, and I have stopped Anjali mid photo shoot to tell her, please ये interview कर लेते हैं.
Of course.
And I think unlike many other actors, you've been really sweet. मैं क्या झूठ बोलूँ, कि सब जानते ही
No,
हैं.
but why would I not want to help you? If you're here, you keep making your time to come here, and if you're still coming, if you have a flight, then that's the least I can do. Bhushan has to wait, but everything.
but that's still called being grounded and affirmed, and I feel वो तभी आता है जब हम दूसरी चीज़ों को ज़्यादा बढ़ा
But it's just being a kind human, no?
human being, yeah.
Even this body positivity का जो हो रहा है नारा इतना, we are teaching people how to be kind. We are going back in evolution.
Yeah.
You know, like in COVID times, we have taught people how to wash hands on internet. ऐसे लग रहा है मुझे कि मैं लोगों को हाथ धोना सिखा रही हूँ कि be kind to people. Stop commenting on my weight because I don't really give a fuck. So shouldn't you? Just mind your own damn business.
That's true. I say that all the time myself.
Yeah.
Why have you lost so much weight? My wish, my choice, my body.
Yeah. If I will die, I will die. You will. Nothing is happening to you. So what is anything that I'm doing got to do with you?
Got to do with you. Yeah.
If you enjoy my thing, my movies, enjoy it. If you not enjoy it, please रास्ता ना पो. You know.
You know, उससे पहले मैं आपको जाने दूँ, मुझे दो चीज़ें हैं जो आपसे पूछनी हैं. सबसे पहले ये है कि एज एन एक्टर टुडे, क्योंकि आपने इतना सारा काम किया है, एंड आई एम नॉट जस्ट टॉकिंग फिल्म्स एंड OTT, आई एम ऑल्सो टेकिंग यू बैक टेलीविजन, राइट? आप ऐसे किसी एक्टर को देखते हैं जिनकी जर्नी से आप बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर्ड हैं, प्योरली फॉर द वर्क दैट दे हैव डन?
You know, there are so many actors that we don't realize have been, you know, there are obviously names like Shah Rukh Khan and Amir Khan and Salman Khan, but the more people I work with, the more I see the amount of work people have consistently been doing and consistently been relevant. Someone like a Ritesh has been in the industry for 23 years and he still looks like that and he's still killing it. Someone like an Ajay Devgan, that man is something else, you know. I'm not just saying it because I'm working with them, I'm also saying it because I'm working with them, because I'm seeing them in front of me and the kind of work and the kind of passion they still have for it. Someone like an Induji, look at his age, he's 70 plus and he's so active, you know. All of these people, Arshad Varsi, Javed Jafri, I think he's so underrated, he's such a talented man. All of these people have been working so hard for so long and they're not like that limelight hungry, they're just doing their job and they're just, you know, they're not those hyped up people and hyped up actors जिनके बारे में बात इतनी है. They're just consistently doing their job, living great lives, having great family life, and they're just, it's just so inspiring, you know. That inspires me because that I say that I want to be a working actor. I don't want to be remembered क्योंकि 100 साल बाद nobody is going to be remembered. वो मुझे काम ही नहीं करना है कि मुझे दुनिया याद रखेगी 200 साल बाद भी नहीं. नो, मुझे किसी को याद नहीं रखना है, ना मुझे किसी को अभी जो प्रेजेंट में हूँ मैं वो याद रखो. उसके बाद मेरे जाने के बाद जो होने वाला है मुझे उसके बारे में सोचना भी नहीं है. माई प्रेजेंट इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड राइट नाउ ऑल आई नो आई वॉन्ट टू डू इज act. And I think I've always said that I want to be a working actor more than a famous actor. Because a working actor in turn just becomes famous. If you're
That's true.
You will be, if you do good work, the fame will come, the followers will come, everything will come. That's why I've never opted to, you know, people say YouTube channel karo, ye karo. So it doesn't bring out that spark in me, it doesn't bring out that joy in me. So I'm not going to do it. Clothes bring out joy in me because I've had to make my own clothes from scratch from the beginning. So that is something that brings out joy, you know. So I will not do anything that doesn't bring out joy. Why should I do it?
Yeah. That's so sweet. And my last question is, जो मैं हमेशा हर इंटरव्यू में पहले पूछ लेती हूँ, धमाल के बाद अगला क्या आने वाला है?
Dhamal, I'm just enjoying Dhamal for now. I have read a couple of things, but like I said, I want to also travel a little bit. But if something really great comes up, cancel my plans.
Yeah, then we'll know
but
more.
I'm still reading, I'm still doing things. I want to do nice stuff. I don't want to be confined to a body type, and I'm looking for scripts that don't confine me to it.
Yeah.
I want directors and writers and producers to see me, and I want them to see me for the talent and the vibe that I bring more than anything else.
Yeah.
And yeah, I just want to do great work. I want to do work that challenges me, that makes me feel like a different human than I am. It's just a lot of fun. I love it. I'm a kid in a candy store when I'm on set. I'm a labor. I cannot do 30-second content videos. I'm not made for that. Give me 30-hour days working on set. I'm that person.
Wow, that's amazing. And you're really beautiful both inside and out. क्योंकि हम Ozempic के ज़माने में हैं जहाँ पे कोई भी कुछ भी कर सकता है. But
if it makes you happy,
if it makes you happy, true. But the fact that you exude this amount of confidence, you know, for just who you are truly, I think from one woman to another, that's great inspiration. और धमाल के लिए मैं बहुत excited हूँ जितनी आप हैं.
Thank you.
And totally looking forward to seeing you super soon again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Anjali, for your time.